Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bags covered away. I paved, zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us then came and stayed? Not too many. I've been staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I couldn't shake.
Me requesting to speak. That's crazy work.
Ace, why are you requesting?
I'm not. Can you hear me? Test one, test two.
Yup.
I don't hear you because I mute you.
Why are you always muting me? So rude.
Are we pretty quiet? It's maybe because you have us low. Did you ever think about that, production? Whatever. What is up, guys? How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. Oh, John, speak so I can try to hear you.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day.
You're not triggering, by the way. You got to leave and come back. It always happens to whoever starts the stream.
I wasn't what?
Just leave, come back. Now
Hello?
speak.
Hello?
There you go. Now
Wait, so nobody could hear me this whole time?
No.
Oh, I understand.
So
I was
whenever
talking
you
to
start the
myself.
stage, it like glitches.
And why is Discord broken? What's up, chat? How's everyone feeling today? Let me see some chats in the chat. I basically repeated what I said when I first joined. And then I got sad because nobody did anything. But it's okay. You just couldn't hear me.
Right? And I'm going to drop it inside of a
Bro, Yeti, can you turn that into a GIF? That was amazing. That video is so peak.
Fridays now.
So welcome to the first free game Fridays. We're gonna have some free game today. Pretty tough.
Holy, I am freezing. John, you are not even sharing your screen, are you? No, you're not.
You mean my face cam? Bowser.
Bro,
What's up?
Cold.
Yeah, it's literally freezing, like ridiculously freezing.
Okay, can we do it for the Americans? What is -16 in
type it.
negative
cold.
16 to Fahrenheit? It's 3.2 Fahrenheit for you Americans. Negative 16 degrees Celsius for everyone else in the world who doesn't need a separate gauge. For
Euro's like that's too cold. That's Brick City.
like
Yo,
my
it's
nips
brick
are
now.
popping right now, Euro.
For real. If this sweater wasn't so thick, you'd see them.
Holy.
All right, chat. I need you to actually answer this in chat. Who stayed until the end of stream yesterday?
Oh,
who stayed until our last trade? And who left? I want to know right now who left before that last trade.
Let's go. Who said that?
Colton, legend.
Colton, bring yourself over to the Discord right now and open up a ticket.
It's free. Pull up right now. Open up a ticket. Why is he opening up a ticket? Is it a surprise?
Nah, because I show love to the people who show love.
I understand.
So I'm actually going to hook up that man if he wants it. If he wants it.
I understand. Let's see. I was here to the end. I stayed around out of trades before then. I was here, but I missed the trade. Yeah. And then Vinny said, I am love. I understand.
Oh, my nips be nipping.
That's true. Cannot say what Ace did for me, but he's all love. King Cap said, let's get paid, boys. No Asia last night. Oh, no Asia last night. So you're not starting in drawdown? What a legend.
Right. First things first, what we usually do inside of Premium. Today is free game Fridays. So essentially what we want to do is break down everything that we essentially offer in Premium for you guys every single Friday, absolutely free. So we don't really gatekeep over here, and you guys get a little taste of what the Premium is like. So soon we'll have our option guy with us. His name is Andres, and he's the person who runs those lives in VC that you guys see whenever we're in stage. So whenever you see those like 15-ish people hiding away, that's him, right? He's actually there right now. He's probably doing a little breakdown. I'm gonna tell him to come over. Do you want to message him while I do today's session breakdown?
Yeah, I'll message him.
Awesome. So if you guys just pull up my chat right now, we're gonna get straight into it. That way we're not wasting any time. At 8:30, we did have some Canadian news. I know a lot of people don't give a shit about that, but at 10 a.m. today, we do have PCE price index month over month. We have the prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment, which is going to be massive. And then we also have U of M inflation expectations as well. So we do have red folder on red folder on red folder coming in at 10 a.m. So might be worth it to stay a little bit patient. But other than that, in terms of the levels we are working with, I already wrote it out for premium, and I could show you guys what I write up every single day for the people inside of premium too. Let me just click on my channel and I can show you guys. So here, basically this whole week, we give levels, we do the write-ups, and we tell you guys, like, in terms of text alerts, what I'm entering, what it looks like, so on and so forth. That 13K day that I had to start off the week, yeah, we gave those levels to premium. Okay. In terms of the pre-market write-ups, right? In terms of if it's an inside bar, what I'm looking for, what are my current triggers, what is an A to B setup, right? So if you're still looking for a trade and it might not be there, like it might be a little choppy for the day, but there's still a setup, we still write those down too. If I were to scroll down to yesterday's session or even today was simple. I didn't break it down too much because we're going to be here inside of Free Game Fridays. So essentially I just wrote up, adjusted our range to reflect the weekly order block, the CE, so consequent encroachment, now sits at 25,658, the crucial levels for today. And I showed my high value, so high value area. We're dealing with volume metrics there. We have our Globex and previous day range high. We have our low of pre, so low of pre-market. And then we have our low value, our psych, our previous week, and bottom of the range. So when we're looking at something where we're looking for an absolute true reversal, right? Where we know that, hey, this has massive support at the bottom. This has massive demand at the bottom. This could absolutely bounce. That's this level right here. Okay. So I can show you guys on this chart, bing, bang, boom, right here where this level stacks all together. So you have your weekly anchored VWAP, you have your previous week high, you have the bottom of the range, and you have your weekly value area low. Absolute massive supports there at the bottom. But we are now approaching that CE, which I literally just spoke about, and you guys can see how it's respecting already. John, what are you looking at for the day?
I was saying before, I think we might have kind of the same thing that we had on Wednesday, where we chopped around a little bit in the beginning around these levels. And then we also had 10 a.m. news that day. And when news came out, that's when the breakout happened. And then we rode up that long. So I'm just going to stay patient in the beginning. If I see something, then, you know, I see it and I'll take it. But I am going to go into it just kind of waiting a little bit. Don't want to get caught up in that chop.
Did you message Andres? Is Andres
here?
here?
I did. He said yeah, that he's gonna pull up. He's here?
Perfect. Not yet, but I'm sure he'll be here soon. Vinny, will you be joining us on stage today, sir?
Andres is in the
we want
audience,
all the family. Invite to speak. There you go, baby. Welcome up, Andres. What are you looking at for today's session? Let the people know.
What up? What up? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm looking at Qs, to be honest. So what I saw in the morning, well, right now was pre-market. The 4 hour, we rejected the 4 hour order block, and for those that don't know, I play pretty much breakout patterns with a confluent, and also add orb into the play. Well, ours not established right now, but if we don't reclaim, if we don't reclaim on this 4 hour order block, then I am leaning bearish. But it looks like right now looks like it's reclaiming some more towards bullish side. We did bounce on the bottom of the order block, so that's a good sign for bullish momentum.
Love that. Vinny, when are you coming up? Are you coming up
Nice.
right around right around the open? So guys, we basically have all the staff just pulling up right now. So we have Andres, we have JJ, we have production. So Ram's in the corner over there. And then we also have Sir Vinny. Sir Vinny is the one who's been helping every single one of you guys out on the server side. He's the one who has essentially set up everything in terms of the server, in terms of the WAP. He's been absolutely killing it, but a lot of people don't know this. Vinny is a killer, an absolute beast when it comes to trading. I've known this guy now for right around 5-6 years, and since then, he's just taken off into the extremes. He's constantly on Top Step TV, right? He has received multiple payouts, and man, I have nothing else good to say about this guy. He just lets it speak for himself. What do you have to say about that guy? That guy, Vinny.
About Vinny? Vinny's he says he's lying. I suck. Vinny's a very interesting character. I think that's like more than enough to say about Vinny, to be honest.
They also like glaze each other nonstop, guys. They are each other's Discord wrapped best friends. So JJ and Vinny, they have some like secret nightlife thing going on. I have no clue, but apparently so do me and Rams, because Rams was my number one. So there's that. If you guys haven't checked that, you guys do have to be on desktop to check your Discord Wrapped, where it shows how many hours you spent in VC, who your best friend is, how many messages you sent, all of that info. Basically like a Spotify Wrapped. Yeah.
You post the story everything.
Sorry. No, like, bro.
Hey, I posted. So I posted a chart of basically what I'm looking at on the chat thingy for those that, so they could see what I'm seeing pretty much.
Love that. There you guys go.
Andres, how was options this week? How'd it go?
We printed.
Yo, Andres, wait. Before you even say that, before you even say you printed, I want you to drop. I saw it somewhere else, so I think you should post it in here. Post it in testimonials how much you pulled out already for the month.
Oh yeah, I paid myself.
Yeah, I saw that. Listen, you gotta be posting those in here, big boy.
I got you, printed, but I was just asking for the chat. You know what I mean? It was kind of rhetorical.
It's kind of rhetorical.
It was a rhetorical question.
Yeah, ready, guys?
Yo, I like when you tell me to repost it, John, and then you don't tag me.
What? Should I put the testimonials or should I post it on the chat?
Do both.
Yeah, show people, and then tell people about it while I post a story telling everyone we're live. Yeah, I understand. I understand.
Do you understand?
I don't know.
Look at that.
Copy text.
Withdrawal 7,000 doll hairs. Isn't that something beautiful? Options people going crazy. Need 550 to pass 5 evals, baby. Let's go. Nice. Good shit, camper. I love that. Love to see it. Oh, Vinny's up. What's up, Vinny?
What up, JJ?
Oh, you
Look
got
at
a
those
disco ball on
reclaims.
your thing? It's kind of tough.
Look at those
Yeah,
fucking
it's
reclaims.
It's from my recap.
Market open. Boom. I didn't even notice. 5 seconds ago.
All right, let's get it.
Getting a nice
Again, guys, we do have
pumpy.
news at 10, so watch out for that in terms of
Yeah,
those levels that I was talking
I'm
about.
waiting for that. I'm waiting for that, bro.
Yeah. For real.
I ain't gonna be patient today. Let Orb stat and those news. I ain't fucking around.
I'm gonna be
Fuck that.
patient too. All right, guys,
Yup.
I'm going in. I'm just joking. Oh,
Look at that
man.
candle.
Yeah,
Or
I mean,
even-
right off that pre-market level. Just saying, 650 was giving that straight away.
Mm-hmm.
She.
Both monthly and weekly value area high. Go nuts.
And guys, we offer inside of Premium every single day all the breakdowns of all the trades that we took. So all those losses yesterday, yeah, we spoke about them. But the big fat win to recover all of those losses, yeah, we spoke about that too.
100%. And they're always recorded and posted on the WAP4 Premium. So in the future, they're just gonna have a huge bank of basically just breakdowns of everything that's happened in like the past months.
And that is above our Globex high already. Did anyone take along? Holy
What do I even
shoot.
do here now?
Who took it?
Hell no.
I know. It's already at our ADR. It's already at our ADR.
Dude. Should I put
The
triggers
take
for
would have been
gap
at that
fill? I got a gap fill
650.
right on top. I got a gap fill right on top.
Wish you would fill my gap. Wait, yo, wait, what?
What?
Yo.
Who said that?
What? Who said that, bro? That's
Oh, that is
weird.
a pump person.
Could you give a definition of a pump person, sir?
So a pump person, when you're talking about the actual definition, basically, it went.
This guy's
boom, boom.
bullshitting while he's talking. By the way.
Also, to anyone in premium, NVDA just hit the
Come on,
top of that range once again. So that trade, absolutely valid. That Google trade I took right at 314 is now sitting at 321. I did get tapped at break even after trimming 2/3 for right around 30%. But man, if you had the hands, I did not have the hands, but if you have the hands to hold that, you are absolutely printing, because that was a 320 strike. You are now in the money.
What do you think of 800 to 830?
800 to 830.
Hmm.
I mean, that's the top of my range and inside of ADR. Plus, that brings us 50% of ADR. Could be fat reversals all throughout inside of there. Plus, that's only a 30-point range. That's my hot take.
I understand. We basically agree.
Vin, what are you looking at for today's session?
After that, nothing. I need to reevaluate
Yeah.
every level that I just made.
For real? After that pump, yeah, nothing.
I mean, basically, this is like the opposite of what happened yesterday. Yesterday we opened and we just dumped like crazy. So who knows?
Yeah,
are we
actually,
gonna
literally
continue,
right
or are we
here.
just gonna go sideways until news?
Like this 770 level, like a rejection here would be like.
That's
I-
literally
Yeah,
what
I
I'm
like
looking
that
at,
too.
Vin.
So I mean, and also it lines up with that 1.5 fib on the ace orb indicator. So. And it's a
Yeah.
tight 30-minute range that blends in with the 4 hour.
What do you think, Vin? Should we be giving that indicator out for free if they join premium?
Yeah, if you guys join premium, they should. Yeah, that
They should
that'll
get
add
it?
some Good value. Yeah,
Let's add it to the
I'm gonna
list.
recode it. That way it's extra
yeah, so it's
saucy.
a little better. Yeah.
Yeah, because right now you do have to flip through the time frames just to basically refresh it.
Yeah.
But it's such a banger indicator. Such a banger indicator.
Very
Super
cool.
fire.
Super,
Super, super.
liking both sides.
Maybe we could give them like a list of every indicator that we all use that are free.
That's pretty
Mm.
fire.
And your orb indicator, and when we get to premium, that'd set up a good little baseline so people can have an idea.
That would be actually pretty fire.
Hmm.
That would
Pretty
help. A lot
fire.
of people just don't know what indicators to use. You know,
Yeah. And a lot of them are like not really helpful.
they're so unhelpful. ADR is
Yeah.
the craziest indicator ever invented. So I was just gonna say that. If you find the right one,
True.
it's wraps.
Hmm
100%.
If you know the sauce, just use all of them at once. Yo, Euro, that's actually a really good idea when you think about it. Then you're always gonna have the right indicator on your
Can
screen.
you guys find that chart where it's like 1,000 indicators on there? You know which one I'm talking about? It's like, oh, this is easy analysis.
Listen, if you have lines everywhere, technically we're gonna bounce off one of them.
Yeah, you're always correct. That's why if we find a server, guys, I've seen a few, where you're calling out a long and a short, an analysis is always going to be correct.
True.
That way, the server is always correct. Oh my gosh, they're printing. See how that works?
I guess I wasn't paying attention because
Oh my god, there.
There it is, Trader Joe.
Yo, I think I can actually see what it's following. That's a pretty good pick.
Vinny just posted his bottom tick.
Vinny, don't give out too much sauce.
My bad.
I saw that too.
My bad. I got a little dude. I saw it and I was like, oh, I missed it terribly bad. Holy.
Yeah, that one.
There we are
that one is
rejecting
saucy.
off of
Yeah,
our
I like
Globex
this.
high. By the way, guys, this is actually a decent setup for a short, but it is after an open push. So
Gotta close.
Little bit of a-
stronger.
yeah, exactly.
or at least back in the orb, one of the two.
And by that I mean like super strong. Like it should already be at like 35 and a close.
Yeah, we're kind of just flagging.
Yeah,
It's literally the same thing as yesterday.
definitely bullish. Exactly.
Major
As
move
of right
and
now,
then
still
sideways.
very, very bullish.
If you look at the order flow
Like-
too, the dark pools, you just have so many orders stacked below it that the short would have to break through before it does anything. That it kind of scares me to do anything.
Yep.
But this might be the good retest.
Yeah, I want to go long, Ace, but I want to pull back at least. It's like on Qs, at least 65-40. Yeah, 65-40.
Yeah.
625.
To your cues.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind to pull back to 30 on NQ. Or we could just break and push right now. Wow. Chat, anybody take a trade today? Yet? Or just still waiting?
Here we are
Be
with a new
honest.
high of day.
Mm-hmm.
In terms of sizing for today's session, guys, today is a Friday. So I will be using not 15 like yesterday, but only 10 micros for today's session. And that is full position. So
Only
if
one-
I start
only one
with
full
5
contract, guys.
on a 150K, let that be known too. So it's not a 50K, so don't be sizing the same.
Homie said 10 micros.
Look at Zulu. Look at Zulu. Premium member bow, $735. Beautiful. Alvin also said he's done for the day, but he's gonna stay for the fun. Love it.
W.
Just close the account, lock it out.
Chris, another premium. Boom, scaled out beauty.
I want to see if I can get
Let's
a
see how
little
dog shit
bit.
this movement is for the next
Guys, make sure if you're buying any props, we have the best deals. Use code PHUB, PHUB. Might as well if you're gonna buy props anyway. And there's actually some pretty crazy sales going on right now for like all of them. Camper with the 1K.
W
Wait, doesn't that mean you're
camper.
good for payout or passing? What were you? You said something. Regardless, W.
63.50. There that is. There that is. Come on. Come on, baby.
Almost got a close bill at 720 for me to take a short, to be honest.
Vinny, how's your trading been going?
I did tag a little
Consistently
short,
weird.
but it is on evals. It is
Oh, yeah.
on evals.
What's your entry?
63. So currently up 20 points. Again, it's on eval, so I'm not like trying to yell it to the moons. It's not the stream account. The stream account's going to be those A+++ setups, but that was the top of the range with a test of a high and a rejection. So there we go. I mean, that's 30 points right there. That's kind of
That's
sexy.
fantastic.
Yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
wow, yo, look how clean that was. Look at the total P&L. That looks fake. It legitimately looks fake. So off the eval, guys, sized decently heavy. It is a 150K account. I do size very, very heavy on evals. Again, I dropped it inside of premium in terms of what my takes are when it comes to evaluation accounts. But yeah, that was 3K on the dot, like to the penny. And there it continues. Man,
Mamenko said,
I'm
"Can you
tapped in-
address
I'm
what
tapped
an
into a short
what
that's
a
they're
35.
60 points, guys.
Oh shit!
Holy shit.
holy brother."
All right, my stop just went to break even.
Did Ace call out the short? No, I did not. I did say 763. Like, obviously, I didn't give any analysis for that at all. It's on the one of my eval accounts. So I'm not trying to just give anything. I'm not going to count that as an alert at all
Yeah.
or a signal.
No, Lamenko was asking though, like he said, we should address what AAA setup means. When you say, oh, it wasn't a
triple A setup.
it wasn't a triple A setup, A plus, yeah.
So when it comes to an A plus setup, all that means is it meets your entry criteria, right? So at the end of the day, what you guys want to be having is a trade plan. A trade plan is going to fully outline everything you're looking at, from entries to exits to scales. If it only meets, say you have 5 entry criteria, if it only meets 2 of them, is it still a valid trade? Potentially, right? But now, is that an A plus setup? No. Right? It's still a valid setup, but it's not your highest conviction setup. And there that continues. Holy shit.
A bunch, bro.
And then not even that. I mean, Vinny did ask me if I was in a short, and that was what, 60 points ago now?
Okay, I'm done. I'm done for the day. That's it.
Oh, and there you go. So Vinny literally entered. This guy asked me if I was in a trade, takes the trade, and now he's finished. This MFer, and that is our open, guys. That would be my exit right there, or I would be dragging my SL very, very heavy.
I just locked out. Thanks,
nice,
guys.
you absolute fucking beauty.
Yeah, that was a good setup for me. I really like that. I like the
it was super good.
Wait, who took that? Even though we said it wasn't a setup, who took that?
Little recovery and lockout. I guess a lot of people did. Shit.
Vinny, the whole server.
Vinny, it's such a good thing that you said, yo, Ace, are you in a trade? Because I guarantee you half the people still took the trade.
No, I literally saw the setup and I was like, nah, Ace gotta be in this, dude. Come on. I was like, there's
Someone
no
just
way.
said I took it. LOL from Volcano. Look, people took the fucking trade.
I mean, you couldn't lose that. There was like literally no drawdown. You could have entered anywhere and you would have
literally. As soon as I said 763, or as soon as Vinny said, hey, are you in a trade? Literally at any single one of those points, if you entered, it never went into the negative.
Momenko said combine passed in 12 hours. Ooh.
Everything was so perfect here. I mean, you can't really.
That's crazy. That's 14 points. That's actually nuts.
You can't really miss something like that. I mean, that was.
All right, well, banger. Let's yo guys, testimonials in chat. I want to see all of them.
And like, hey,
and
guys,
also put them in testimonials.
We are also, again,
channel.
we are the most transparent traders, so we are not considering that a true signal. Like, we're not going to be like, I called that shit out. You guys heard it here first. Like, no. Like, if you caught that, good for you. If you didn't, then hey, it wasn't an A plus setup, and then good for you for actually making sure that you're only following the A plus setup.
You know what's funny? For 99.9% of all other servers, that was like very transparent as a call out on their bar.
Oh yeah.
Like,
if anything, that was a better call out than 99% of traders.
Yeah, 100%.
Your favorite analyst would have been like, I told you guys I was in. I told you guys I was in. I legitimately said, yes, I'm in a short. I am up 20 points.
And you said where you're into. Yeah. You actually met all the criteria for most servers. But we're not counting it. I don't care.
Yeah. Again, guys, we are going to be the most transparent traders. Yes, I printed. Yes, a lot of people did print. But even if you did not personally take the trade, I didn't on the stream account. And that says a lot, right? You guys can see my Project X on screen.
Either way, I said my entry too. Just want to put that out there.
Yeah, we did give all the criteria too.
Yeah, we gave all the. So he had 2 different entries. They said his, and then I said 735.50, and then I posted a photo of it. So, and it was still there when the photo uploaded. So, I mean, low key, the criteria was there.
Oh no, was negative 350 before, now plus 250. Let's go.
Just close out, man. That's Friday. Yeah, just take what you can.
There is our 15 minutes, guys.
Fawaz, that
you know what?
seems like a mildly bad RR, my brother. 90 to negative 2,500. Up.
Look at that 15-minute close.
13.
Big wiki.
Gotta work on that a little bit.
This is very interesting. Yeah, so we do have our 15-minute established, guys. It is on top of yesterday New York session.
That's tough.
I'm
gonna be honest. I truly believe those were the only 2 plays of the day. Was either the long or the short.
Yeah, that GIF is so peak. Yeah.
I'm favoriting all of those. Those are hilarious. The ICT one, Vinny, did you see it?
That one is so good.
That one was peak. That one was actually peak. Yes, put your FaceTime on.
I gotta put like a hat on, bro.
Oh yeah, we still got news at 10. That is
News
true.
in 15. Yeah, but that's not gonna yield anything crazy, I don't think.
Lomenko with the
I think it
4.5.
could.
Lomenko, you just finished that
I think
eval,
it
didn't
could.
you? Or you just got payout. One of the two.
Inflation expectation, consumer sentiment, price index. I think it'll definitely add something.
That was 90 points.
Wow, Lomenko, 4,521. Absolutely beautiful. Put that in testimonials.
Blew 500 yesterday. Hey, it's a good comeback, man.
Yeah, that's a good comeback. That is actually beauty. Actually hilarious. We like barely did a call out and so many people printed. If you didn't take it, okay.
I'm legit shivering.
Yeah, it's actually
Like, I
freezing.
can't even
Yeah.
focus on what's going on right now. I am
It's
shivering.
freezing in my room too, bro. It's so cold in here.
Bro, you know how cold it is in here?
I'm sure
Bro.
colder. JJ,
Here,
I'm, sure
I'm
you
sending
live
the
in
pic.
Canada.
I'm sending the pic. It basically feels like that.
Your heat on?
Yeah.
You
My hands are
heat,
frozen.
but it's just not working, or like,
Man. By the way, guys, that is another B plus setup for another short. Again, I'm gonna say I'm not personally taking it, and that is going right now as we're speaking. But I mean, it's still going as we're speaking. But hey, I'm not personally taking it because I'm not looking for a B plus setup on a Friday, which is my worst
Oh, no.
recorded day.
it's black.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
There
Alright, here
is
we go.
Sir
Now it's
Vinny,
on.
guys, with the Top Step hat. And guys, if you guys don't know what the Top Step hat is,
Beauty.
they released that a while back ago, actually. So Vinny got it because he's always on Top Step X, but he also meets the criteria for it, which was, I believe, I think you had to be a part of the 15K club or 10K club, something like that.
Yeah, I think it
Yeah.
was 10K, and then they
Yeah.
offer it to you or something. I don't know. They just sent it to me. They were like, "Hey, we're sending you a package in the mail," and I was like, "Can I get a hoodie?" And they're like, "No, we're out." I was like, "Oh fuck."
You're not good
I was
enough
like,
for that, sir.
No, you gotta go. You gotta go on Top Step. You gotta go on Top Step and be in the. That
That's
criteria.
hilarious.
You said, bro, where the fuck's my hat?
Is Top Step instant activation when you pass the challenge? On the V2s, yeah, it is.
On the new dashboard, it's instant
Yeah.
activation. Yeah.
There, I've passed like in Globex before, and sometimes it does take a few hours, but like it's basically same day activation. I've done that, and it kept adjusting the consistency. Like it kept saying like 20.61, but like usually they're lenient on like 1%. And then I just waited like a couple hours because I'm like, oh yeah, I might be cooked until tomorrow, and then it allowed me to activate it.
Got a screenshot of 3K profit, but the dashboard says 2636 profit. Yeah, well, it takes a second to update. It doesn't always update instantaneously. Also, it could be because of your consistency.
On Project X, it will show though your actual balance. Like that is pretty to the
I'm
T.
older, pal. Here, I'm 40. You're 18 years older than me. You're 15 years older than JJ, and 10 years older than Ace.
Too much
Yeah,
tattoo?
low numbers.
I think there's not enough tattoo.
John, I'm gonna text you real quick.
Oh.
There you go, sir.
Mhm.
You're curling to the grave pretty quick, both of you. I didn't know you're 37 year. I thought you were older than that. Not gonna lie. $2,028 total P&L.
No?
I'm
Oh.
confused. It says closed P&L total $53,019.40.
I'm in my
Should be
prime.
good. It's consistency. It's why you can't do it.
For anybody
If you
on
pass
socials,
two
make sure you
steps.
join the Discord for 100% free.
Camper.
Country
Whoa,
Psycho.
dude, you put me in a
Country Psycho
Canadian
say?
hockey shirt. I'm wearing The Blackhawks,
What's up, brother?
dude.
What's up, Mr.
That's
Country?
fucked up. There's a maple leaf on me, bro. I'm from Tennessee, bro. Get that
Production,
shit off
drop
me.
Country the link to the Discord, which is 100% free to join, and also it's free game Fridays, so all the premium stuff is free today. Above 750 again. I mean, we opened below it, but we did close above it. All I want for Christmas is payouts.
I want to smack a freaking trade right now.
Another one?
I feel like I've been waiting forever. I already freaking got
news in
3K
9
on
minutes.
Yeah, I think
News
I
in
can
9
be a little
minutes.
patient.
Why JJ mute? He's not.
That's cap. I'm not mute. You're
You're
mute.
starting Discord.
What the
Holding a
Canadian
bottle.
maple syrup?
Maple syrup is crazy, bro. I feel like I should sue this guy, bro.
That's actually peak.
For name, image, and
Maple
likeness.
syrup is
Should be getting
hilarious. Yeah,
paid
that's
for this.
that's what Vinny
Wait, I
gets
just
for being
realized
best friends
he
with
put him
Canadians.
in a Canada jersey. I didn't even see
That's
that.
what I was saying, dude. He took it off the Blackhawks jersey and put me in a maple. I don't even know
I'm
who
calling it
wears
a day.
that. Is anybody?
I'm calling it a day. Someone will be
Yo.
DJing.
Hey, so you see what Lamenko said? He said patience and ADHD is an oxymoron.
Ooh, there's that
From
push.
Chicago. Good. I hope I never see you there, man.
Andres, you take any trades yet?
Nah, bro. I'm waiting for that data,
Staying
bro.
patient, eh? Yeah. I'm
Oh, we would
definitely going
know.
to be waiting.
Me as well. Yo, we should make a bet. If I make a shot, something should happen.
This guy says this every single day, misses every single day, and then pretends like he got it in for you guys.
Oh yeah?
Oh, yeah? Watch this. Oh yeah, watch this. Guys, watch this. This is gonna be so ass. Rams, are you gonna switch over to the Osmo? Guys, they got me concussed yesterday. I don't know if you guys can see at the back of production's camera. Oh, they can't see it. But there is a ball pit. And they wanted me to fall backwards into the tiniest ball pit, and my head just went bonk.
Yo, are you ready?
Okay, let me
Yes,
see
I
your
think-
shitty ass.
I think you're concussed every day, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
By the way, John is the worst baller.
If he makes this,
in this
I
office.
get premium.
No, that's actually a lie. That's actually a lie.
Okay, Ramses.
I'm gonna add sauce.
Yo,
on
we
it.
have to say what you're doing it for.
Okay, go.
Hold on. No, hold on.
What are you doing it for? They're saying.
Oh. I'll share. Someone gets premium for a month.
That's it. I think we can do a
That's
little better.
stupid,
Also,
bro.
there's a
Make
push.
it more high stakes that you miss every day. Like it's not like you're gonna make it.
Yeah,
like-
that's how you know he has zero confidence in himself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
All right, Ace, you choose. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot. Just give me a sec.
you know what? If you get it in, I'll run another STF today. Bet.
That's kind of crazy.
Let's do it. Free game Fridays and no free game for y'all.
Yep. Somebody filmed that brick ass shot, bro.
Brick ass shit. He
Hold
is
on, hold on.
brick
Let me
ass.
watch.
He is so ass, guys.
Bro, we
I'm
gotta
so
post this
sorry, guys.
again,
We have
now that you
we have
did that.
109 people in here just watching
Yo, I tried.
bricks.
I tried.
This guy just
I
made a
tried.
brick
How?
house right now.
I tried.
Post
We
it
got
in
news in
some
6
more.
minutes.
I wanna
There
hype
is
you up.
800, by the way. And if you guys are running my indicator, we are now at our 236 extension. 800 basically flat right there, give or take 2 points on that level.
Oh, yo, that guy opened the ticket. The one that gave us love on Twitch.
Let's go, David. Congrats.
What do you want me to
David
give
just
him?
passed
Like I
another
don't know
account.
what I'm supposed to give him.
Give that guy some premium.
Forever?
No. Chill.
I was like, I got
He
you.
wrote a nice comment on the
Yeah.
YouTube. We
got you, I
don't
got
get
you.
much love on the YouTubes.
Yeah.
So you know what? He
Oh.
deserves a premium.
Can somebody walk these guys through how to review us on WAP real quick? We get massive perks for that, and we're doing a giveaway on it. So,
Oh, yeah.
somebody walk them through that.
So guys, if you guys head over to announcements, you guys will see Vinny dropped how to actually do and drop an actual review for us on WAP. So if you head over to your orders page, which you can find by clicking on your profile icon, you find the specific order or product you want to review, you click leave a review, you write a review, you select the star rating, and then you just click submit. Simple as that. We do this 100% for free. And if you guys enjoy watching us, if we are just a little bit entertaining, or if you guys use us for confidence and you guys actually like our levels,
Or if you think
us
Vinny's
being
hot.
the most transparent traders on the interwebs.
It's true. It's actually true. Also, we're gonna choose a random reviewer, and they're gonna get a free account. Right? That's what we're gonna do for the giveaway.
That's probably what we're gonna.
That's
do.
what we're gonna do. So if you want a free account or a chance to win a free account, leave a review on the WAP, and you will be randomly chosen.
There we go, guys. We just tested our 15-minute structure for today's session. So it is testing our ADR high low, our ADR high low, bottom of the ADR high. I like how I tried to readjust what I was saying just to say the same thing. Anyways, it's testing that plus the orb itself. So we do have 4 minutes until news as well. Yes. Also, if you are a previous student, make sure to open up a ticket if you guys would like to get hooked up. If you guys would like to get hooked up, open up a ticket if you are a previous student.
Maybe rewarded because I can't run a review in Whoop. So you got to go to My Products. So when you're on your profile, you click like My Products, which is, I don't know, but I'm trying to find it right now while I'm talking to you.
Alvin, open up a ticket.
Profile, click profile, and then you click, gotta be my active subs, and then it says leave a review at the bottom.
News in
my
3
ticket
minutes.
Bro,
5
I
minutes
tell you guys
after
to
he
save
shared
it,
the
you
link.
guys acknowledge me and then get upset when I close the ticket. You're like, oh yeah, for sure, and then just close the ticket, and then
Vinny's
nobody
too
says
quick for
anything.
y'all. Vinny's too quick.
For anybody that joined late, we are just waiting for news at 10, which is in 2 minutes.
How's our X?
Hey, you know what you should do? Since you like talking all that shit about my shot,
You should take a
you should take one. And for the STF.
Adam, didn't we already hook you up with?
Oh.
I'm so confused.
All right, guys, are you ready to see this brick from the guy who talks all the shit? All right. Didn't even hit rim. Did
for real.
oh.
dribbling up.
Oh.
Kyrie.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
In here can Kyrie like me. 100% with a tiny ball too.
Wait, there's a video of Vinny pouring maple syrup on his head. Let's see it. Terrible. Absolutely terrible.
I mean, I saw your
Dude, you're
bricks.
so mean. Like, you're actually so rude. Somebody could have got an STF. Disrespectful. That is an amazing gift, by the way.
Maybe I just don't want to give them away because maybe staff deserves one.
News in 1 minute, guys.
Where's Andres? Andres is so quiet.
Why the
He's
fuck
waiting
does
for
my
data.
smile look like that? That is
Bro,
terrifying,
like-
dude. What the fuck? That is creepy as hell, bro. Good
Bro, that
lord.
looks so real.
Are there any RMTs in the chat, bro? I need a fat massage right now.
Bro, I look like I'm like possessed. This is terrifying, bro.
Yo, Vinny, the cut is cutting, bro. Your jawline is coming back, brother. Before you were looking like a sack of potatoes in the face, but now I can actually see your jaw. Yo, your dimple again? I can see your dimple, kind of
Bro,
cute
hey.
and shit. Oh, yo, why are you turning red? Oh man, this white guy is just turning
answer-
red up, and that is crazy.
All right, 10
Alright,
seconds
that's
news.
it.
Let's see. Lock in. What are we expecting? Think there's gonna be a massive
Sack
candle?
potatoes is
Or
crazy.
nothing?
You guys should have seen Ace 3 months ago.
I mean,
Oh,
we're
that is a
touching the
fact.
gap, bro. We might as well go fill that damn
There we
gap.
go, guys.
There's news
There's the
candle.
push. And pending news on Forex Factory. Let me refresh so that we can actually get our numbers for today. That candle just got sucked up. Hurry up and stop saying pending. Give me my numbers.
Like, what a bunch of liars.
There we go. So we have our prelim consumer sentiment currently sitting at 53.3 from the forecasted 52 from the previous 51. We have our PCE price index month over month from the same as our forecasted with the same as our previous at 0.2. We also have our U of M inflation expectations sitting at 4.1% from the previous 4.5. Wow. Those are some numbers that we are working with.
Those are definitely some numbers. I'll agree with that. King Cap said, "I'm a white guy and my face is red. I put Miracle Whip on my Wonder Bread." Is he rapping?
He's rapping.
Oh,
he just
rapping.
made you rap.
I think what's interesting about these numbers is we are pretty extended still. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, we had insane pushes within the previous week. So here, I'll go on my daily. Like, obviously, we reached all of these highs, and as you guys can see, if we were to break today's ADR, that actually brings us to the upper OB, which gets a little scary at that point, because now we're looking at massive supply. But what I'm wondering at this point right now is, are we already accounted for? Has this already been priced in, and are we just going to move sideways at this point? Right? Because that's the thing about news. Positive news isn't always positive. It might be priced in, right? Like, you guys obviously heard, buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So who knows what we're going to get right now, right here, especially since that government shutdown has been cooking us a bit.
Mm-hmm. When's that going to be over?
Couldn't type it fast enough.
What are you trying to type out, baby? Trying to go long?
Yeah, but no, I got in, but I didn't type it fast enough. So
Hey, I bet you still like that trade regardless. Guys, Andres is long on Qs, I assume?
Qs.
Oh, ES
Yeah,
is
Qs.
pushing too, eh?
Yeah,
and NQ is pushing
I got
above 800 right now.
Yeah, I got into
ES already
629.
broke
I
out.
got filled at 49. I got filled at 49, so we're way up already. Don't even chase guys.
I don't know about chasing. I think this thing could still keep going.
We
if
are
can
inside the
actually
gap
hold here.
We're inside the gap, so we could.
Yeah. I'm going to lightly
the rest of the
position
gap.
myself here, guys. Lightly positioned. And my entry is currently sitting at, what a bad entry, 812.
I win. I got an 811.75.
Yeah. 8 futures.
Oh, apparently Top Step X is having issues again.
Damn.
What is
Bro, they
new
need to
over
get off
there?
that platform,
What's
bro.
new?
What is new over there?
Flamenco, chill. Don't abuse it too hard.
There we go, guys.
There
Currently
we
with
go.
a little bit of a push. Let's see if we can get anything. I know most of you guys got a better fill. Good for you. You guys probably saw right around only 10 points at the top there. And I am looking for minimum 830 on this trade. 830. So at least 20 points for myself, which for you guys should be
I don't mind 830.
30-ish points. Oh, and here we go back below 800 for a little retest. SL is going to be, it needs to be like 88, like bottom of that previous candle. It's currently risking $252. Nothing that's going to make me sweat over here, guys.
Lico light
we're
position
in-
in that.
We're inside the gap. So I think we filled the gap today.
Yeah, you're row. Go crazy.
Go crazy, go stupid.
Took this on an eval to test the fib strat Ace went over in his 1 hour video. Are you talking about the long form? Yeah, we did post the YouTube video of Ace's webinar, which is an absolute banger video. I actually recommend everybody go and watch it. And we're also going to be posting one long form YouTube per week. So make sure you follow on the YouTube.
And where could they get that link, John?
They can get that link from production. Drop the link.
That's what I was waiting for. So most of you guys are green right now. We are still testing up in these areas, which I'm not a big fan of. If it wanted to break, just break. Don't be a pussy. But hey, the market gonna do what it wants to do. And there is the push. Most of you guys are up right around 10 points again. So manage this trade as necessary. Currently up around 15 now. Yep, we're about to see that 30 getting tested. And there is also our 50% and previous month value area high. So if you guys need to start trimming, make sure to do so. Good trade. And again, just staying patient, letting the day count, and grinding away.
Mm-hmm.
Move that SL, by the way, guys. But hey, I ain't your papa.
I mean, are you not?
I mean, I'm the
Zulu
server. Papa.
575, absolutely beautiful.
There we go, guys.
There's a nice
and
little
I am
push.
now trimming 2 right here at 33. That puts me right around 20 points and moving my SL right underneath this body
Beautiful.
on a 1 minute. So we are counting this as a true win. We are about to approach the high of that OB, which sits at 36. 36 as we are approaching our 618 of our 15-minute orb as well. So we got our golden ratio off the 50 minutes ORB. And let this thing just cook. Let this thing just cook.
Let it cook.
Yo, Ace.
Recovered the lose on the funded. I'm done for today. Beautiful,
Ace,
Zulu.
I tried
What's-
to ask
what's
you
up,
what you
baby?
think about this earlier, but I want you to read this and tell me what you think.
Where am I reading it?
In the chat.
In the chat, say no more.
Click on that photo I sent.
So that SL, guys, is dragged all the way to basically like 219.25. Could get tapped here, but that's fine with me as that's sitting in profit. And you know what? It was a decent trade. There you go. It just got tapped and currently up, guys, with proper positioning, only $110, but I'm happy with it. If you guys had a little bit looser of a stop, you guys are still trailing away and seeing some fat profits. So shout out to you guys. Vinny, where am I looking?
But that could get Tappy McTappered.
Did you post that already, Vin?
Yeah, you gotta click it. It's 10:06. Staring at it.
10:06.
It's in the live chat.
Oh, right there. Too expensive?
Overall, decent day. I'm still plus 550.
No, look what he said.
Complain for an
He
hour.
said
work.
no alerts like before. Are you not alerting
Absolutely beautiful.
every day? Am I confused?
I'm confused. What did I just give out right now?
I don't understand. I just don't get it.
Not only that, you know what it is? And honestly, I'm fine with it. Like I said, we are not going to be signal focused. We are group coaching focused over at the premium. So
not signal focused. You don't have a signal option. What the fuck is that?
oh, we definitely do.
What the
I
fuck
also
is that?
wrote it out. I also wrote it out in futures.
What is this? What is this?
It literally
What?
alerted.
Full breakdowns, full everything. Hey, people want the handhold, and that's fine. There's other
What?
servers for that. That's not us.
Handhold. You're holding their hand more than I've ever seen you do it in your.
They want no. You know what they want? They want me to click buy and sell.
So
Vinny.
our bar is like set so high. We're like, yeah, we don't handhold. And you look at other servers, dude. If they did that, that's like they're gonna charge a mastermind for that right there.
Vinny's
That's
just dropping
handholding.
all the evidence right now.
I just sent you like every alerter we have, dude. They all alert every day, every single day. They all alert even our even Chris Lazaro, he alerts almost every day. Like,
You know what's crazy about
okay.
Lazaro? Lazaro's
People are
literally showing payouts off of a long-term portfolio.
dude, he's showing like $300,000-$400,000 accounts through brokerages.
We're not financial
and it's
advisors,
like,
by the way.
this is how much I'm invested in here, and shows you the exact breakdown. And
You know
people are
what's
like,
so crazy
"God, you
too?
guys aren't
He's
alerted."
literally hand-holding for a long-term portfolio, pulling out and withdrawing out of a long-term portfolio. The kid is 26. The kid is 26. Bro has more money than
I looked at
people's
his Instagram
freaking.
the other day.
Oh my gosh, it's insane.
He's a
insane.
good-looking 26-year-old too. Let's not forget that.
Oh
Yo.
yeah, super good looking. Me and his brother have been best friends forever. And funny
Oh,
enough,
I thought you said
it's such
no,
a
wait,
it's
I
such
did
a
not
small
think that.
world because John and Rams and Lazaro all went to the same school, the same high school.
True.
Bird.
It's actually so insane. Like none of them knew each other. None of them. Oh wait, you knew his brother.
Wait,
Yeah.
did you say?
You knew Chris too? Okay, so maybe Rams knew him.
Yo, did you say something? What's it called?
Guys, chat. It's still pushing. It is still pushing.
Oh, I'm in this.
But, yeah, that's
Oh,
nice.
hey,
And
The stream
you're-
account is not in it, but I am on my personal account. I will say that. John is still in on the audience account. Like I said,
Yep.
he's going to be you guys, but adjusting the stop loss and PT based off of his own entry. So he got a better entry than I did. So he might have had a looser SL, which kept him inside of the trade. And now look, now that thing is just going. You guys should all be up at least 30 points.
Yeah, I'm just trailing tight, basically bottom of this wick.
there you go. Lee just said, I am still in this long. Absolute bangers, man. That is also our 618, like I said, and you guys can see from level to level off of my indicator. This is an indicator that I developed, guys. It is a strategy that I've been using forever, and a lot of people are now developing, or not developing, have integrated into their own pieces of work. But man, it is so fuego. You guys can see right here where we extend, pull back to the 1, push to the 382, come all the way back down, push. Even in the smaller ranges, it's still acting and behaving through those levels.
Look at that flip green. If this closes green, I love that.
Neck.
I'm still liking securing profits. So
if this goes up another 3 points, and wait, wait. Give it to me.
The gap on Q.
3 more points. 3.
What a push. What a
2.
beauty.
We're gonna keep grinding it.
Ace is taking it as 2618 level. Just saying.
Okay, it's not gonna give it to me yet. But I am almost there, guys. I'm almost there.
Am I gonna get tapped here?
How much for the indicator? What? Do you listen?
Ooh,
What? Didn't we just talk about that earlier? Yeah, we're giving it to premium for free after we redevelop it.
Come on. Give me 3 more points. 3 more points.
Yep, I'm dragging up the
And
seller
3.
too.
There it is, baby. Bang.
Oh yeah.
Bang.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
I don't know about you guys, but account is now locked, and that is, John,
I got SL at
another
40.
day of PDPT.
That's a
Wow.
whole week of PDPT, bro.
Literally a whole week of
PDPT week is crazy.
Man,
I had my final TP set at 58, by the way, for anybody curious.
personal locked on
I will just
all
take that.
of my top ones.
Come on, hit my PT. Hit that 58. Hit it.
And that is a
Hit it.
payout, King
Hit
Caps.
it.
That
I got
is
hit.
a payout.
Banger. That's how you do it. Absolutely. BEA beautiful.
Holy shit.
Went
And
nuts.
we wrote that out, guys, inside of the premium. If you guys want to
A little
receive
bit
the
of
text
that.
alerts, make sure to use
Got a little
code
bit of that.
Xmas. And you know what? For having him on stage today, or if you guys do not want to use code Xmas, make sure to use Xmas AQ if you guys like Andres, and if you guys want more of Andres's lives, you guys can support him as well. And there is our 786 just absolutely tapped. And guys,
Yeah, that was my that was like my TP basically. So beautiful. Holy. Who hit that? Let me see all the testes in the chat.
what did I say about staying patient? What did I say about staying patient?
It's the exact same thing that happened like 2 days ago. Just stay patient, wait for it to set up, wait for news just in case, you know, don't be going crazy. And what an easy play. And that was so easy to be in. Like from entry, there was basically no pullback.
Zero drawdown. I mean, from my entry, there was like a 5-point drawdown,
What was your
which
entry?
gave everyone a better entry.
Yeah. What was your entry?
Mine
Exactly.
was
No, mine was a little
812.
better.
Yeah, mine was 812. Yours was like 806 or something.
Yeah, it was 806.
Yeah.
Not bad. What is that? 806 to 858 final. Nice little 52 points.
But I am now locked
Patience
out
is key.
on these two accounts.
Remember, guys,
as
if you
well.
want more, if you're going to be buying accounts, use code PHUB for the best deals. Tradeify is a crazy one right now with their new accounts. Top one has a 57.5% sale. Absolutely crazy. And those are just the two. That's just two of the ones that we have.
Yeah. You guys
Alpha
can
Mirror,
see
1339. Crazy.
You guys can see right there as well on Tradeify. Other than the stream account, which is only up $110, it's fine, right? I got a worse fill. I couldn't hold all the way through, but the other accounts are at lockout now. One of them's currently sitting at 1670. The other one sitting at 1784. I guess I should have screenshot that 1784, but whatever. I don't care. $100 ain't gonna kill me. Hey, saw your video of you acting like your dad. I remember he was sick for a bit. Hope he's doing better now. He is doing better now. I appreciate that. Yes, he did have cancer, which he is good now. Went through surgery, all that kind of stuff, and he is Gucci. So I appreciate you for saying that. Yeah, fuck cancer.
what he said.
Yo, Vinny, do you want to talk about what you think of Tradeify's new accounts?
They're pretty cool.
I go PP now.
Good talk. I understand.
They're good
I thought they were pretty cool.
accounts. They're better than daily payouts. Take Profit Trader in Tradeify, basically, but different rules.
What do you
Don't
think
know
about the
the-
rules?
Interesting. Have
Like, what do you like better?
see-
Would you rather have those Tradeifys or Top Steps? Like, how would you compare both?
That's a hard question. It depends on what I want. If I want daily payouts, then I'd probably go with the Tradeifys. But I mean, you gotta look at the difference, right? So you know, it says payout frequency daily, but you have a trailing max drawdown, daily loss limit of $1,000, which kind of sucks. No consistency though, which is nice.
But you do have a way tighter threshold to get a payout.
That's true. It's $1,000 a payout too, so you can make it in one day.
Yeah. You can literally just
Very
every day hit a banger and get that paid out.
Yeah, you guys could have got paid out every day this week.
It's true. BDPT every day this week.
Tradeify Flex is much better.
You know, I
than
feel bad
daily
for the
and
people
monthly.
that left early yesterday and missed that absolute wild, like,
It
80
just
point banger.
goes to show that patience pays, and that is for reals.
There you go.
There you
Good
go, good
representation
representation.
of me not being patient enough. Don't know what that means.
I also don't know what it means, but I'm gonna fire emoji it.
I don't know. Yeah, people are just putting fire emojis because that is a
We
50K
need
express.
one more trade, guys. No, we do not. Yeah,
Sam
you
Moore.
need
Hey,
one
yo.
more trade. Not we.
That wants one more trade.
Man, guys, that is Free Game Fridays. You guys heard Andres. He said he was in queues. I even piggybacked on Andres. He said it might be a little too late. I said, hell no.
Mm-hmm.
Full send that bitch because that thing is ready to explode. You guys heard
Beautiful.
me say that too.
What was
Absolutely
that noise?
beautiful.
That was my meta, actually. So my meta
Oh.
just hit PT. If you guys took my trade inside of premium, I gave from level 660 all the way to 670, and that thing is now at 671. That thing is absolutely going, absolute bangers were called out inside of premium just because I don't trade options every single day. I give all my levels to every single ticker that I'm watching for the week. And those are all longer term trades too. It's not just day trades. Okay, guys?
Yo, we could do an entire lesson on what Camper said, saying one more trade. Like, I feel like,
Oh,
I feel
see.
like that right there.
You got his
is
Express
like-
account. Bro,
Yeah.
turn that shit off. What is wrong with you? You freak.
Lock it out,
What the hell?
bro.
Bro, what do? You just got Express accounts and you want to force a trade at 10:18 on Friday after working all week to get those? I should slap that
Yeah,
shit
yo.
out of you.
Lock
What's wrong
out.
with you?
Wait till Monday, please.
I just realized what he meant
I would
now.
full send that.
Fucking-
I would full send full port Fridays. Full port Fridays.
Yeah, but when you
I
full
mean,
send them,
I bet full
the
port short
gods
right
of
here,
the
Bao.
stock
I'm just kidding,
market
I'm
give
just
you
kidding, don't do it.
$200,000. So,
Don't do it.
and then you're like, oh, I'm on the leaderboards. If Camper
Yep, that
invested
is-
in it, he'd be negative 3 million RR and get smoked and then be whining. We'd be
Yeah.
cooked.
He's just built different, guys. I'm sorry. Also, guys, again, level to level. If you guys want this indicator, we will be releasing it for free for the premium members.
I'm gonna add that to
And
everything
yeah.
right now. Actually,
Releasing
Oh, like the
soon.
embeds.
But
Yeah.
the coming soon.
Maybe I won't put it yet then, because people are gonna be like, "Where is it?" Heroes in a short.
She gonna hit Euro beauty. Wait, did anybody enter off
Beauty.
me saying that? I actually want to know because I did say don't do it, but I also did say look good. But I also did say don't do it. That's the more important part.
Don't do it.
Yes, I called it out. Yes, he did. I read the message. Was yesterday's video uploaded? No, JJ slacked.
No,
It is uploaded now.
No, it's
We-
uploaded.
We gave, guys, hey, we're almost on a 24-hour clock. So that thing gets done. Like I say, the breakdown, all that kind of stuff.
Mhm.
JJ edits it. That way you guys aren't watching fluff for 30 minutes and then the actual breakdown. And then that's to you guys. All of them have been within, I would say, less than 24-hour period.
And
way
he's
less.
making an announcement.
Yesterday-
Just saying.
Most of them were like within 3-4 hours. Yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot and went home. So I did it this morning. But yeah, it has been within 24 hours.
You guys are missing hella out.
Zulu, you're the goat.
No,
the
you're
goat. You hit a
missing
banger
it.
today, brother.
3 breakdowns. Look at Ace's face. Look at how intense he is in this. He's like
Yo, I'm not
ready
gonna
to
lie.
teach.
Those breakdowns, they're more than breakdowns. That's like,
Look.
I'm not gonna say much. They're just, they're tough.
He's like, oh, when I teach you about emotions.
I'm gonna teach you about emotions. I don't have them.
As I'm getting emotional teaching it.
You want to do the STF giveaway? I said we'd do it early.
I think we are ready
Just
to
run it
give
right now.
away an STF
Yeah,
with
I'm
80 people in here.
Straight to funded, which means
Dude, you guys, over
don't
the
have
past
to
week,
do no
the
challenge or
growth has
nothing.
been crazy.
Yo,
Both has been
fucking quest.
crazy. Yeah, guys, if you have any friends, here's one thing that I realized when it comes to trading. It's a lot easier. Wait, it's not the end of the sentence. I realized
It's a lot
that
easier when you have friends.
it actually is.
And
It actually is.
that's all he had to say, guys.
When you
No.
trade alone, I feel like it's a lot easier to get in your own head, and when you have someone like there with you that's like actually your friend in real life, it's easier to like get checked. Why are you still laughing?
Dude,
Because you're
just the way
muted
you
throughout
say
that whole
shit is so stupid, bro. If you guys have friends in real life and
Nah, they all
that
left me,
whole
bro.
time,
Wait,
that
how long-
whole
how long
time
was-
when he was saying it's so much better when you have friends, I just muted him after that, and
Wait.
he didn't get a single word out
All
after.
right, so I gotta say the whole thing. Hello, darkness.
Hello, darkness, my old friends.
So I was saying, if you have a friend who also trades or has also talked about it, I would recommend getting them into it or doing it together.
Oh,
'Cause it's a lot
man.
easier to get checked on your stupidity of either like over trading, over leveraging, over analyzing, just any issues that could come. It's a lot easier to have someone that checks you with it. Like for example, Vinny has been one to check me in the past. Pretty bad for some stupidity, which is good.
Yeah.
I mean, he's a little aggressive, but it's okay.
Guys, can you guys check my profit factor? Is it broken?
Dude, you gotta be
Yo.
aggressive with people who you tell 17
you
times
see
the
my-
same thing.
Do you see my profit factor? Is that thing broken?
$4,720.96 to 8.
Is that thing broken? What's going on?
546
Yo,
to 1.
honestly, I'm disappointed. 8 is too much loss.
Yo, go enter the giveaway. It ends at 10:32. You guys got 9 minutes.
How
You have
many
to have
guys
the
watch
server
that?
tag on.
guys. You have
Server
to have
tag
the
has
server
to be
tag.
on. Oh, David got a massive payout, dude. $4,862.35.
Beautiful.
Let's go.
That's huge.
Euro said
dude.
we
Wide
don't
blue.
over here lockout. Yeah, guys, if you did hit that banger, it is Friday. It is a little bit later. I would recommend just locking out and calling it a day and just vibing, and also having a chance to win this STF. Which account is it specifically?
50K top 1 futures, which is one
30
of my
entries.
favorites.
That's what I'm using.
There's 90 of you in here. There's 90
Hey,
of
that's
you in
also
here.
what Vinny's using
Mhm.
as well. That's what John is using.
Mhm.
That's what I use. I just showed that I hit PDPT on my top 1. That is what Rams currently
No,
is
Mr.
trading
Quest,
right now.
No, don't think that way.
Our whole staff is currently using top 1 futures STFs. Therefore,
And-
if you guys want to sign up for top 1 futures, make sure to use code PHUB, because at the
Mhm.
end of this week, it ends their biggest deal ever, 57.5% off a straight to funded,
Yep.
which is absolutely insane. They also
Yep.
pay the most for a straight to funded, with the 150s giving 3,500, which is the perfect amount to give because it leaves you with so much buffer after the fact. So you get to keep that account running for the second payout, plus you get the max payout of 3,500 per account.
Mhm.
This is the same prop that I've already pulled $30,000 from since I started with them, with absolutely no issues with receiving it. A lot of my students can also vouch for top 1 futures because they've also received a lot of payouts. You know what I was actually told?
What?
We're on code PHUB now.
Yeah.
But from my old stats, I was actually one of the highest in terms of people who purchase account to people who get payouts. Therefore, if you
That's
guys
good.
use code
That's a crazy
PHUB,
stat. That's a crazy stat.
if you guys use code PHUB, you guys might be a part of that stat.
Statistically, it's true. You know, people say it as a joke, and you know what's funny is like a lot of people do say it as a joke, and it's like very not true. But we can say it as a joke, and it still also be true. And also, how many people
We
are
hit
in this
bangers.
giveaway? 39 people. You guys don't want free stuff? I don't understand. Yo, can I
don't get
join?
it
Can I
either.
fill
It's
it?
a-
Can I fill it in?
No.
Can I join?
Dude,
Can I fill the
no.
gap?
No, shut up. Stop.
Wait, hold on. This
Stop
is
it.
cooked. Euro said, guys, we don't have to moon every day. Sometimes we just lock it up and live to trade another day. Lumenko replied, sorry, I don't speak poor.
That's so good. It's so good. This, guys, is what we do every single day. We take absolute bangers, wait for the setup, and even if we take a loss, we're still okay with it because, again, we are the most transparent traders across the industry. I will say that.
What you're seeing is realistic, not any of this garbage lies.
Yeah, I'm not trying to show you guys $100,000. This is the reason. So we actually spoke about it before we went live today. Production was basically saying, yo, Ace, why don't you use a non-consistency prop? That way you can show people the fat numbers that you actually do be making. The thing is, I would much rather show you guys what is realistic, consistent,
doesn't
and
have the server tag
sustainable
on.
for
Sorry.
all of you guys.
Phantom
Yeah,
doesn't have the
that's our
server tag
main
on.
priority. I would rather show you guys what's realistic and
Someone
actually doable.
just
and
didn't
be
have the server
transparent.
tag, so I guess they didn't win the giveaway, huh?
No. He doesn't have it on right now.
Oh, if you guys want to make sure that
How do I get
you-
it on? I'm not telling you.
Click
No,
on
no,
somebody
you're
who
not.
already has it, like click on the tag and then click adopt tag.
But yes, I'd much rather be fully transparent with you guys about what is realistic as a trader within the space, as a showing you guys $100,000 a day is giving you guys FOMO, and then you guys trying to full send it yourself and never getting there. Right? Like, yes, it's cool for the social medias to see like, oh wow, this guy really prints. He just made $20,000. Oh wow, this guy just pulled out $50,000. But is it realistic for every single person? No. If you were to ask Vinny, if you were to ask David, who just got a payout, Euro, Rams, all their payouts are all from maybe $1,000 to $5,000 maximum. And we're just collecting, compounding. Because that is what's realistic.
Notice that JJ wasn't included in that. It was
Hey,
Rams,
he's
David.
the
That's the whole-
audience
that's the
account.
whole point.
He's the audience account. He's gonna get there.
Vinny,
Literally
JJ.
literally the whole point. Wait, what time did you put on the giveaway?
It's 10:32. It ends. 4 minutes.
All right, 4 minutes, and there's 45 people. That is a little better. It's very simple.
Yo,
Click-
Ace.
see, guys, look at the chat.
What's up, baby boy?
Click the giveaway button and click
You know
participate.
how you
That's
have
it.
an audience account?
Yeah.
So you should do a separate one where people get to vote if they want to go long or short and see what it does.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. That's kind of tough. I actually like that.
That is kind of
Might
tough.
have
I
to
like
do
that
that.
too.
Are we gonna set that up?
David
that.
just said most of my winning days are just $50 to $200, and it adds up, especially because he's also copy traded, guys. You can have multiple accounts, and you guys have to be satisfied with a $50 win on a singular account, especially if
There's
you're
another
copy traded.
thing. There's another thing in there too. David has a job. He's not dying for money, and he takes
Yeah.
it easy every day. He's consistent, and he just keeps going. One or a couple points a day.
And that's the
Look at
thing.
Euros.
Points a day.
Euros is 1,400, 1,600, 1,400, 1,200, 980, and he's just
Shit, where's
letting
mine
those
at?
stack up.
Getting
Yo,
upset.
that's literally what I was going over to my top step right now.
I feel upset,
I'm like,
man.
yo,
What the-
yo,
I'll
if
post some
staff
payout
is
certs.
flexing, I wanna flex too.
Dude, that's something that people don't understand is like if you literally make $100 and you have 5 accounts, you just made 500, and on 5 days, that's 2,500 in a week. You don't have to hit 2,000 per account. You just
Oh.
have multiple
Yo,
accounts.
this is a
and
little awkward
bangers.
because mine show the opposite. Mine show max payouts for all of them.
Yeah, but it's different. No, don't let him fool you. Hold on a second.
Oops. Yo, is this correct? Wait, what's going on? What's going on here, chat? Yo, what is this? 4,500, 4,500, 46, 5. What is going on? My numbers don't really make sense in terms of what I'm saying.
All right, listen. What we're saying is more for you, not for Ace. Seriously,
And
though,
there you go.
it stacks.
Even with Vinny, right? 1,500 right there. And he's constantly on Top Step X. $2,000 payout right there from Tradeify. Ooh, I just got some Tradeifys not too long ago. Let me show that too.
Bro, they try to dox you with those payout certs, bro. They got your full name, email, phone number.
Do they?
Yeah, they're like, post this shit. It's like your every piece of
post
personal
this shit.
information.
Post your government passport, baby.
It's like, dude, holy shit, man. I got the it's
payouts,
cool looking
payout
certificate,
certificates. So my most recent for this. Wait, what? Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? What? I'm so confused. I'm
What?
so confused. Wait, what? Why is that showing like that? Anyways, these are from my Tradeifys, guys. There you guys go. Boom, bang, bing. You guys
Oh,
can see
wait.
the amount, 2,500, and it says download certificate.
Mine's
I'm not trying to dox
bigger, it's
myself.
Crazy. Yeah, look, here we go. Ready? Sheet. I win. On Tradeify live trade. Up halfway to PT. Yeah, full PT was hit that day.
Pretty tough.
True story.
I didn't know
Sitting
your
right
real
here in
name
this
was
chair.
Daniel.
The guy, the other
Damn.
guy in the middle between me and the guy named Jaron, he went 0 for 5 that day. I felt really bad for him, actually.
Damn.
Average winning trade 102. David is literally showing you guys how much
Bro, David's
compounding
nice, bro.
actually works.
It's nice.
Oh, 100 on 5 accounts is 500. Like, I don't
Bro,
understand.
name
why people
another
look
server that's
for
posting
1,200.
payout
It makes no
certificates
sense.
for fun. Like what? Like
Yeah, like all of staff, literally all of staff right now is just blasting their payouts right now.
like nobody else does that. Like they're gonna be like, yo, guys, I got $100,000 payout on Twitter.
On Twitter, I used Inspect Elements for my $100,000 payout.
I don't even know how to do that. I don't even know what that means. People
Oh,
in school used to
man.
do that for like grades and stuff, and I was like, what? I was so confused.
That's hilarious. Oh,
Yeah,
yo,
what
this
do
is
you like?
another good example.
Hey, yo,
Look at this.
I got one from another Discord. From another server.
Oh no! Oh no!
Another-
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Here,
Yo,
I'll
wait.
literally show you guys. Watch this.
Okay, I'm not gonna troll. No, I'll troll a little bit.
Look at my average win. $295.
Bro, who is showing these stats? Nobody shows. We're actually the most transparent, I think, in the world.
I'm not gonna
I've
say
literally
from who
been online.
this is.
Wait, hold on. Don't go too crazy. Chill.
I'm not gonna say from who this is, but if you guys want to go learn to trade in person, bro, oh, it says it right on there.
Bro, dude, delete that. We're not starting shit. We're not starting shit. We're not starting shit.
Sorry.
Stop it.
Bro, You can take
Mukad.
that.
No, he's gone. Anyway, guys, so today was an absolutely fantastic, beautiful day.
Let's read what Colt had to say for today. Just got off job number 2. All of it is for the evals and trading an hour before market open. Gonna get a nap in before my other shift. Appreciate the blessing from Ace and the team. Can't wait to dive into the premium $600 next week, and I'll hit another payout with top 1.
Absolutely beautiful. That's why we do this. That's literally the reason. Oh, yeah, guys, I want to bring up quick before we continue on that. The GoFundMe. For people who don't know, we do have a charity that we're running where we're running it every 3 months. We're going to change the charity. The first one that we chose is Sick Kids. So if you got some extra money and you want to donate to charity, donate it through that link that I just sent.
Bro, no,
and 100% of all the money goes through.
Phantom won the giveaway, bro. The dude who I was
Oh,
saying
really?
didn't have the server tag on like 5 minutes ago. That's crazy.
crazy.
No, he's got it on now, bro.
100% of the money does go to charity. What were the 2 reasons? So the first reason we wanted to do it through that, because I understand like some people are like, oh, I don't know if I trust to do that through that link. I'll just go straight to Sick Kids. One is we wanted to be able to say that, oh, look, this is how much the community was able to donate, which is pretty cool. What was the second one that was like more valid? You said it yesterday.
That we put a percentage on top of the total.
Yeah, whatever amount of money is in this, we are going to donate a percent of the total. So if you guys want to donate, go to the link and we'll appreciate it. If not, we still appreciate you.
So that means if we run up to 100,000, JJ and Ace don't eat this month. So
Legitimately.
Yeah, I mean,
But at least the
absolute
Sick Kids will.
Phantom's
Yeah.
not responding.
I feel like bare minimum that we would match would be 10%.
Ace, I think we got to re-roll.
Give him a little bit.
He
more.
got a whole minute.
Give him another minute.
Give him 30,
he did
30
win.
more
He
seconds.
did win.
Give him
All
30
right.
more seconds.
But
Let's
not
set a
only that,
timer.
guys, that is our free game Fridays where we spoke about options. Andres literally said the fill that he got, what his actual take was he was super patient, waited for the 10 o'clock news. He said, hey, you know what? It was a little bit harder to alert because this thing is still running. And I said, hey, that is still a very, very valid trade. Therefore, I gave a little piggyback of my little options take with his option for that option of full send. I was already in futures. So that's what I took. And as you guys saw, we just touched right around that 50-ish points. I got stopped on the stream account with a little bit worse of a fill, but the rest of my accounts, PDPT.
Ace, that's 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Well, now he's too late. Reroll.
Sorry, Phantom.
Because we are not going to be staying here forever.
Reroll it. Who's the next winner?
You suck.
It's early today.
Yeah, well, it's Friday.
It's Friday.
We
I
all
usually don't even trade Fridays, guys.
Los.
Yeah, it's true.
Los.
Oh wait, yo, Phantom is typing.
Oh, he's typing. Oh, good. I don't even know how to. Oh, just in time.
Was he on time or no?
What do we? No, I rerolled.
Yeah, there's a reroll.
Ooh. What do we do? Oh, this is awkward.
I'm new to Discord.
All right, here we'll make. How about we make Phantom a deal? How about we give Phantom a month of
Yo, bring it.
premium?
Wait, hold on. Bring them both up on stage, both winners.
That's crazy. He's at work.
Oh, I was gonna say bring both winners up on stage, and they have one sentence of why they should
Phantom
why
just
they
said,
should
fuck
win
my
it.
boss.
No. Let's make them both happy. Let's give Phantom, since he missed a month of premium, and then let's give Los the account.
All right, fuck it. Give both of them. You guys both win. Welcome to Prophub.
I don't know what Ace he just left. Ace left. He's stressed. Open both
my
of you. Open
ADHD
a
is
support
in.
ticket, please. Go to this channel.
What are
and
we
click
lifting
create
today,
ticket.
boys? Me and Rams already hit the gym. We hit a push day. John decided to sleep in because he's a little pum pum. And so he's
I went to
going
late.
to...
I went to bed super late last night, and I'm gonna stay up super late tonight. I'm gonna go after.
Yes,
though.
I'm also gonna stay up super late.
Yo, you know what I was
Okay,
going to say?
Los.
Because my family
Hey.
thing is early, I might actually be able to pull still.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I mean, you can pull literally any time.
Yeah, I bet I can.
Hey, y'all chairs
Dude,
look
like
comfy
that.
as hell.
Oh, bro, they have a heating function. Yo, why are we using the
I know.
heating
I
function?
actually was just thinking about that. They
It
have
has
heaters
a
and
heating
massage.
function. It has a
Bro.
massage. It has a butt massager. Bro, this thing is A
Yeah.
plus 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 plus. We
Hey,
had to get
hey,
3 of them.
Send the link. Send the link.
Send the link. Say no more. If we can find it. But yeah, I'll definitely send that.
Ah, you opened the ticket.
Cool.
I need a white chair after all.
But man, guys, that is free
I
game
love Grandpa.
Fridays.
Grandpa said, "This is a cool site." I was like, "Yeah, you're a cool
Yeah.
guy, Grandpa."
Yeah, Grandpa's awesome, guys. He's been following me since he met me. So everywhere I go, he comes. Bro, the
Hey, yo.
stories that
He
Grandpa
what?
has-
Yo,
Grandpa's
he
loyal.
what?
Wait, whoa.
Grandpa's
Hey,
loyal.
Everywhere you
yo,
go,
yo.
he what?
Hey,
Whoa.
respect your elders.
That is crazy. That is crazy, Andres. Yo, what
Crazy
the heck?
work.
That's what you be using as sour cream at your food trucks?
Yo,
Lee.
You can't blame him. You can't blame
yo.
Andres. Language barrier. You know what I mean?
Holy.
Yeah, ESL,
I'm his
bro.
shadow.
ESL.
Yes.
Hey, you know what's the crazy part? He's from Chicago too, bro.
Is he actually?
Yeah.
That's banger.
I'm gonna go hit the washroom real quick. Are we calling it and gonna head into
We're calling
premium?
it. We're gonna head over
Premium
to
for the
premium and
breakdown
do
time.
the
That's free. I thought
breakdown.
it's free
Oh,
Friday.
wait, it's free. It's free. We do breakdown here.
You want me to do the breakdown?
I think
here?
we do the breakdown here.
All right, say no more.
It's Friday. Hit it.
Yo, what's the
Hey, yo, hey. Javier said, "I'm not fucking leaving."
You
Yo.
guys don't get it. You guys don't get it.
It was a
The
breakdown. He broke it down. Holy Disney Channel movie dancing.
Yo, Los and Phantom, go fill out your guys' tickets, please.
I'm actually gonna announce that we're doing the breakdown for free.
Do it up.
All right.
Do it up. Today was simple analysis, man.
Keen on it. Thank you.
Oh.
Phantom, go fill out the Google form. Thank you. Now that I automated it. Gosh, it's so beautiful. Did you guys see Lando challenge my Excel skills yesterday? I had to show him what's up. I had to show him all
Wildcats.
the lore.
Oh, that killed me. Wait, what happened?
Lando
was buying
challenged
a
my Excel skills yesterday.
Ah, you got that done, huh?
Yeah, I got it done. You looked like this.
Head in the game. Yo, yeah, we're dropping the gifts. The gifts are killing me right now. Oh man.
Dude, this guy's a rookie. He doesn't even know how to link the stage channel. What in the world?
Oh, I
What
forgot
in
you
the
could- I
world,
forgot you can even do that. I
bro?
forgot you can even do that. I forgot
What
you
are
can
we
even do that.
doing, bro? It's
Oh,
that link.
no.
Save the link, bro, and just edit it, bro. He's not even linking it in. He's not even embedding it in the stage's word. He's a rookie, bro. It's over.
Rams,
think I
we
know
have
what I'm
a
doing here.
little bit of an issues
Oh,
because no, but we're doing it for free.
Yeah.
I know, but look at your screen now. Look at me.
I don't get what the issue is.
Oh, so you're saying we're gonna upload that?
Yeah.
Okay. I know what the issue is now. There is no issue. So we just keep
Phantom
everything
won
the
3
exact
months of
same as what
premium.
you were saying.
Let's go. Good for him.
Oh.
Yo, hold on, check your phone. I'm about to send you real quick.
Who, me?
No,
Or
not
is-
you, Vinny.
Okay, well, you can't say that. There's like 6 people in here.
I like when he says that and it's not already done. Like, why don't you send it first? And it's like, yo, Ace, check your phone. This guy says, yo, Ace, I'm gonna send you a text. And then he takes 10 hours to send the text.
Yeah, I'm gonna go watch him. I'll be back.
All right. Sick.
Phantom, just go
Oh.
back to the ticket and click that link, and you'll be set up, man. It'll be all done. Hey, Vinny, I noticed you don't get I don't get alert when I'm in Discord call space on my phone. There's
Rams is green for
I
today's
don't know
session.
the answer to that. I'm gonna have to research
Banger.
that.
I did see
Sorry.
that. I did see that. All right, guys.
wish
So
I did.
today's breakdown. Okay. Today's breakdown. This is what we do for the premium section every single day. So what that includes is taking every single trade that we took and dissecting it. Whether if it was a good setup, whether I made an error on my behalf and it wasn't an A+ setup and I kind of just pulled the trigger, which is what we acknowledged yesterday, or whether I made a mistake by entering into a market fill as opposed to a limit. That is all listed, okay? Because it's basically a live journal. I'm basically saying every single reasoning as to why we took the trade, what were the confluences, what was the setups, what was the levels, what actually supports the trade criteria, okay? So for today's session, we gave out the pre-market analysis, and I will pull that up for you guys because I know that we are doing this 100% for free game Fridays. So I'm going to pull it up right here. Today's right up, okay? And there's something where crucial levels were given for today's session. It wasn't that descriptive of a write-up today because we did break it down inside of pre-market. So as soon as it hit 9:15 and we were live, we did speak about what we're looking for NQ. But this is what I wrote up as just inside of my channel. So I adjusted one of our ranges to reflect the weekly OB. So order block, the CE, consequent encroachment, now sits at 25,658. Guys, look what happened right at pre-market. It was below it, right? As you guys can see right here, we were below it. It pushed straight to that CE, and right before market open, she bounced straight off of it, right? So we didn't just want to enter just to enter. We wanted to make sure that we could still support those levels. So that was already super crucial, right? Another high value area, right? So we're looking at our value area high for the given week, and that was sitting at 25,672. From 672, we had 30 points until our 700 and our 733, which is our Globex and previous day range high. So with it being over our CE, our high value area, plus our Globex and our previous day range high, we were really just kind of waiting for the news to hit. But prior to the news, we did say that this levels right here, so 733, we were looking for where that was extending up to, and that was our ADR, so our average daily range high. This is essentially just says, hey, this is where institutions want to lay our high for the day so that we can reject off of it, essentially, right? Or we can confirm at it. That way it could adjust for the next day. So with that being said, it went to our ADR, right? And it is now above our Globex high. And then she rejected off of our Globex high. We did take a trade right here, right? Where we enter as soon as she tried to make, or she did create a new high and rejected immediately, creating a nice seller's wick. We entered, and next thing you know, that sent all the way down for 90 points. Some people took it, some people didn't. We're not counting that as a true signaled play, but a lot of people did take that trade that we did announce. So that was from right here to right here. And that was using those exact same levels. Okay. So making sure that it is now back below that high value area, right? So 660 or 760 was the area. And then going back all the way down to here and then to the low of pre-market. Okay. That being said, oh, no, don't adjust. Okay, so let's get rid of this now.
Also, real quick, NFA, we're not financial advisors.
Oh, not at all. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to enter anything. From this point on, guys, we wait for the 10 o'clock news. We are super, super patient. Some of us already made some money. Some of us didn't. I still had not traded on the actual stream account. From that point, it goes to retest our orb, right? And then we enter the trade. Let me grab the chart execution as well for you guys. That way you guys know that there is absolutely no cap around here. Again, we want to be the most transparent traders on the interwebs. As you guys can see right here, bing, bang, boom. We enter super, super lights today on the stream account. The reason why is, yes, what happened in there?
Yo, what's up?
Wait, this year, the gift that you posted made Ace chubbier.
Fuck you guys. Anyways, for the breakdown, we did enter at a pretty shitty fill at 812. By the time I even got that out to you guys, John got a better fill, Rams got a better fill, most of chat got a better fill, which was sitting right around 800, 805 ish level. So some people had 7 points to 10 points better than me. And then next thing you know, I get my trim out at 832. Which is based off of my extensions. So as you guys can see, going up to that 50% of our OR15, right? And then from that point, I just dragged SL super high to reflect a dynamic R. And unfortunately, I did get tapped, especially since I had a worse fill. But John didn't get tapped, and he was actually able to capture the full move all the way up.
58.
He caught all the way to 58. So he caught all the way up to 58. Again, this is full transparency, 58. And it did end up pushing all the way to 68. Okay. So from 68 all the way down from our initial entry at 805, 800 for some people, 812 for me, which was the worst fill across the board. You were still seeing 50 points if you guys held all the way through, right? And that, guys, it literally went from level to level. So what I mean by that is, yeah, it's sitting at our ADR, and yeah, we know that that's where our institutions kind of want to place us, but look at where our extensions are. Our extensions are all within that ADR. So it's easy to just take your SL and put it right below the next level as soon as you cross it. That way you are using a dynamic R, right? That way your R is always positive at that point, and you guys can actually stay inside of the trade. You guys can see from right here, from where we entered at our OR, it pushes, goes into our 382, comes back to retest our 236, pushes once again to our 0.5, comes back to test our 38.2, pushes all the way up to our 786 and can't crack anymore, and then comes back into our golden range where now she's kind of just floating at that 50% point. Super simple analysis. And I think this is the number one thing that you guys can take away from today's breakdown. We are not going to give you analysis paralysis where we're throwing 1,000 indicators on our chart and being like, this is what you guys should have done, right? No, we're trying to say, keep it simple, stupid. You guys have heard that probably your whole life, inside of school, within everything that you guys do. If you guys can look at your chart and without being like, oh, but I'm looking at this, oh, but I'm looking at this, or I'm looking at this, where it's the key word here, it's objective. You guys can look at your chart and say, yes, this is a short. Yes, this is a long. As soon as you say, I'm not too sure, maybe you're not ready for that trade. That trade is not valid for you. Because it has to be cut and clear. There are no rooms for maybes within this space. Because you're like, oh shit, you know what? I actually was thinking long. Why'd I go short? That makes no fucking sense. You make it make sense. Because at the end of the day, being objective is the only thing that's going to make you consistent. What does your trade plan entail? Does it say, hey, these are my entry criteria? You know what? This is an A+ setup. I can now enter. Or is it only meeting 2 of those 5 criteria where you're like, you know what? This is only a B+ setup. It's still valid, but hey, you know what? I have to size down or I have to adjust my risk accordingly. Because yes, you could still take those lower conviction trades, but you have to be able to account for it as well. Because if that then goes straight into your risk, right, where it hits your SL, then that's on you as well. Especially if you're sized the exact same as an A+ setup. Does that make sense? No. Sleigh bells ring. Yeah, I know. That is my meta.
What is that, bro?
Trick.
Are you just, like,
it's my
consistently filling, bro?
It's every time it touches the bar. So right now it's literally floating at that 670. So here, I'll turn it off for you guys. Sorry.
Turn that shit off, bro. Dang.
I'm turning it off. I'm turning it off. There you guys go. But yeah, that is literally it. Super simple breakdown. I don't think anyone else can give such a simple breakdown with so much sauce all at the same time.
Yeah.
And it is fully recorded. So if you guys wanted to rewatch and do the back testing yourself based off my levels, I give it every single day inside of Premium. And if you guys want to join Premium, you get 15% off forever with code XMISS. And if not, hey, I know it's tight. You know what? It's Christmas. You know what I mean? I know money could be tight.
I understand.
And it's fine because these streams are still 100% for free every single day. But if you guys did want options, you guys did want my text alerts, all the breakdowns, everything that is a lot more extensive and more conducive to actually learning to become self-sufficient, then that's what Premium is for. And that's why we raise, that's why it is a ticketed item. So that's why it is a cost barrier. The only reason why is because we're putting a lot of sauce inside of there for you guys to learn. Whether it be things like this, where we're doing the full breakdowns, whether it be Q&A sessions, which we actually ran super early. It was literally the first breakdown and people were asking crazy amounts of questions. Next week, we have our first class ever as well. The code is XMISS, code XMISS. Oh, I am typing that on my trading view instead of in chat. There you go, code XMISS. And that wraps up Free Game Fridays. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for joining us for today's session. Absolute killer. Shout out to Vinny, who is the server manager. He is also the WAP manager. He is also the CTO of Prophub. Shout out John, who reflects the audience, who is a partner in crime. He does all the editing for all the socials. So make sure to follow us on socials at Prophub Trading, at Ace of Trades with 3 S's. We got production in the corner, who's been taking care of all the streams, making sure you guys have Project X, my Project X, on screen so that you guys get the full transparency of all my entries. If I move my SL, if I move my PT, so on and so forth. Again, we are the most transparent traders out here. And if you guys want to join Premium, then make sure to do so with code XMISS. Number one thing, to keep this running 100% for free, make sure to use code PHUB. That is code PHUB across all props, because they are all running fat promos right now and it is about to end. So make sure to sign up with those ASAP, and that's what keeps us 100% for free.
Tradify is December 5, so end of today. Today's last day.
And that being said, guys,
accounts, grab them, brother. Beautiful day.
That being said, that wraps up week 1 of our hard launch. and we are only going up from here. We've seen us exponentially grow from the start of
we've
this
done
thing.
$6,432 in giveaways over a week.
We've given away more than what we've made.
Yep, and the charity's over $1,000.
Way more. Well, like
We are giving
Absolutely.
way more than what we make. But we do this for you guys because at the end of the day, we want to create the next generation of real, keyword there,
Yep.
real traders. Not
any
no
of this
bullshit
fake
100K
garbage.
days.
Mm-mm.
There's a reason why I show an STF and non-consistency, guys, instead of a non-consistency. And that's to ensure that you guys can make it as well. And that wraps it all up. I'm done yapping away. I hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown. Super simple analysis with it being so clean, the levels so defined, where you guys can take the trades just from reading the breakdowns. That's all I got to say. John, do you have anything else to add? I'm going to use the restroom. That is it from Ace. Peace.
I just want to say, guys, first week went absolutely amazing, fantastic. It was really fun. And yeah, we're only going up from here. If you guys do want to support us, make sure code PHUB on the props. Also got the deal for premium. And for all the premium people, we will see you for the breakdowns every single day of every single week. And yeah, that's it. Yo, Vinny, do you want to say something?
No, I think they covered it. You guys are pretty cool. Tell your friends, please.
Yeah, tell your friends.
We want to be able to reach as many people as possible.
It is free.
And,
Follow us on socials for all the updates.
Yeah, follow us on socials, repost our socials, like our socials, and review our WAP. That helps them more than you can ever imagine. Actually, it's how most people get involved with us if they've never met us before. So please repost our socials and follow us on everything. And literally, it's all at the top. Everything at Ace of Trades, at Prophub on Instagram. It's all there.
And that is it.
Andres, you got anything to say?
Peace. Actually, yeah.
Nah, pretty much Chase covered everything. It was nice hanging out here today with all of you guys. And we shall.
And shout out Andres for hitting that
Mhm.
banger on Q's,
Absolute
guys.
banger.
Bro.
He was in the Q's trade before we were in on NQ. That says a lot, guys.
Yep.
He saw what we couldn't yet. And then as soon as he said, yo, this doesn't look, or like I'm already in and I'm up like 30%, I'm like full send that bitch because that thing is still good. Next thing you know, that thing was popping.
Popping.
His trade was
Yeah.
popping. So you guys technically got 2 entries off of that.
Beautiful. All right, guys. We will see you on Monday.
Monday.
Hi, guys.
Yes, sir.
Peace.
Peace.